Meaning of guitar.
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 Guitar. A guitar is a musical instrument with a flat body, a long fretted neck, and 6 or more strings that are plucked or strummed to produce sound. The strings are typically made of nylon or steel and are tuned to different notes. Guitars can be played in a variety of styles, including classical, folk, rock, and jazz. They are popular instruments for musicians and hobbyists alike, and have been used in countless musical compositions throughout history. Overall, the guitar is a versatile and beloved instrument that continues to captivate music lovers all over the world.